Alright, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're starting off the vlog inside the car. Oh, we got Houston's Finest over there too. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're everywhere. But I was just at the gas station pumping gas, and there was a guy that actually had a Shelby GT350. Now, I did not have my camera on me at the time, but the guy was wondering, you know, what exhaust setup I had done to the car because he liked the way it sounded. Now, mind you, I had the car in, you know, the quiet mode, if there really even is a quiet mode for this car, because when I'm just driving it regularly, I usually just keep it in the quiet mode just because, you know, the suspension is in the comfort setting, if there even is realistically a comfort setting for a Shelby GT350. And the guy wanted me to rev it because he was wondering, you know, if he should do long tube headers, you know, maybe with an aftermarket X pipe and a different catback. Now, my car has the Stainless Works long tube headers. They are catless. I have, I believe, the X pipe from a Shelby GT350R. It is a Ford X pipe, I know that. It still had like some of the wrapping on it when I did like first buy the car. It was actually melting off. I had to go ahead and rip it off. So I do believe this car does actually have like a Ford Performance kind of like X pipe without the resonator. And then obviously we have the Ford X Borla catback exhaust, which is slightly louder than stock. Honestly, you know what? I don't even know. I really don't even know. It just changes the tone. It's just more of a deeper tone. It definitely makes it pop and bang a lot more. And it kind of made me wonder, like, is this car too loud? Because as soon as I revved the car, I revved it in the track mode, the loud mode, because, you know, obviously that's how I feel like 99% of people drive Mustangs are in like the track mode. And the guy immediately was like, ah, it's too loud. So I think that's kind of funny. They got a C8 at a Tyler dealership. Shit. Maybe he traded it in for a Supra. Honestly would be a good option. So let me know down in the comment section, do y'all think this car is too loud? Because I'm actually going to be changing the exhaust setup on it soon. I'm going to be getting the Corsa double helix X pipe. What is going on with all this traffic? It's gonna rain, y'all. You guys can probably hear my shifter right now. Come on, man. Getting the Corsa double helix X pipe to go ahead and match up with this stainless work long tube header system. And I might change the mufflers too. Let me know what y'all think, man. Or should I leave it alone? To be honest, I might just leave it alone. I ain't gonna lie. But I do kind of want to put that stainless, not the stainless, I do want to put that Corsa double helix X pipe on here. backfiring like that. Because Borla is notorious. Woodlands right now, so I need to kind of be on my P's and Q's. Hey dude, the fucking the backfires and the echoing and this, dude, if I did like I need to do like a late night POV in like this area. Imagine how loud this car would be in like this area, because all these buildings, they're like tall, and it's not like downtown Houston where like things are gonna be drowned out. Like this would be literally perfect for like a late night POV. It would just bounce off of literally everything, and it would sound crazy, I feel like.
A few moments later.
All right, so I got caught in the rain. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Luckily it wasn't raining when I was driving. But about to head out of here. I wanted just to go ahead and walk the mall. I didn't bring the camera in there because, you know, I really wasn't trying to go shopping. I was just trying to see what was in there. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, you know you're getting older. Like, mind you, I'm not 30, I'm 26, but you know you're getting older when you like walk into like stores like PacSun, Tilly's, you know, stores like that, and you just don't understand like the fashion and what is actually in the store, and you just walk out immediately. That's when you know you're getting older, but at the same time, that is a good thing. So we're not gonna go too crazy. From that traffic. Oh my god, I don't know what the hell was going on. That was actually insane, the amount of traffic. And I guess it's only raining like back in the Woodlands. What to say, what town was I in? The Woodlands. Jesus. was a cop, and luckily I was fucking pinned. Like, it's there. I mean, there was no reason for him to go after me, so I'm not gonna go below through this. But I will dodge him underneath that bridge. Bite is something else. All right, back at the casa. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications so you guys stay up to date with the build. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.